Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'll solve union of two sorted array. So let's solve the problem. In problem statement, you can see there are two sorted array size n and m respectively, and you have to find their union. And the union of two arrays can be defined as common and distinct element in two array, and return the elements in sorted order. So let's understand this problem through an example. First of all, in this example, you can see in first array size is 5 and second array m, which size is m size is 5. And in first array 1, the elements are like this, and in second array this. Okay. Now, what we need to do, we first of all we need to find the elements which are distinct, means which are only one time in both array. We does not repeat same elements, means like this example. In this example, the we find two first array 1 first element is 2. Okay. Then we go to check in second array there are any 2. Yeah, in third position there are also 2. So okay, only one time we will write down 2, one time only. Then 3, there any in secondary, you can see also 3 is there. So we don't need to repeat that, we only write 3 once time. Same, which are not similar, we also write down that elements also. You can see in first element 1 1 2 2, we does not repeat 1, and 3 3 first and second, and 4 4, and last you can see 5 is exist in array 1 but not exist in array 2. And you have to also do include that which are not distinct. Okay, which are distinct, which are not similar to both array, we have to write down also that element. Okay. And the time complexity of this array is O of n, first array size n plus m, both sides. And now go to code. First of all, what we need to do, we need to check for integer, declare this variable, and looking for this separation union. Okay. Okay. Now next, traverse. Declare traverse both arrays. What is while I less than n, first array size n, and second array size, second array integer less than n. Next line, if any elements are equal or duplicate for union. Okay, so to code, if array 1 I and equals array 2 j, if any elements both in both pointers of array equal or duplicates. In second line, if not union or array 1 I not equals to union minus 1. Okay, then version union append array 1 I is to 1 j small 1. And if current element in array 1 is smaller, create it union if array 1 I less than array 2 j. If not, then union or array I not equals to union minus 1. Okay. Now this one union dot a to array 1 I. Then next line I plus equals 1. Now if any current element in array 2 is smaller, then we create union and move to pointer. For the code it will else if not union or array 2 means array 2 j not equal union minus 1. Now adding all remaining elements in array, create this for purpose. Create while I less than n if not union or array 1 not equal union. So it will add remaining elements of array 1 and union append array 1 I 1. And in second case for array 2 remaining elements of array 2 same while j less than m, and if not union or array 2 j then not equals to union minus 1 and union append array 2 for this case j second array, then j plus equals to 1, then return union. Yes, one thing. Now compile. Yeah, now submit. It's running. Yeah, we have passed all test cases.